Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel, and also in this video you should be able to see the number to WhatsApp us for group or one-to-one training. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to do now is the Goodmans Yard to Shadwell Pierhead. So let's look into this. So these are our 2 points. So like always, starting from the green point going towards the red point, they are kind of at the same line. We just need to go towards the right side. So you always need to plan it that way. So let's start here. So click on the point, come out from here, come down here, and then you can simply go straight. And from here you keep going straight from here, and then from here I'll go up towards that side. So I'll keep on taking this road. So this, you don't need to worry about this one because this is on top of us, so we are on the same road. So carry on going straight. So keep going straight, and then here again this is the underpass, so we can go this way. We don't need to go towards this arrow side, so you just keep going straight from here, and again from here we can go straight from here. That's not a problem. So you just carry on going straight from here. This is again the train station. That shouldn't be a problem there, so you just carry on going straight. This is on top of us, so that's again no problem because the London Bridge, so we are still on this Lower Thames Street. So you keep going straight from here. Keep moving this way, staying on the same road. From here as well, we need to come down here, so we can come down here. Okay, let's zoom out and see where the point is. So the point is this way, so we are on the right track. Always check where your point is so that you know that where exactly you are going, so that you can plan it. So keep going this way. Keep on moving. Don't touch the sidelines like always. And we can see that we are approaching to the red point, and keep going straight from here, and then we can see that we have the street that we can get into here. So keep come down here and always click on this red point. So that's the route, most direct, very short route that you can take. Just a couple of things here that you saw what we did here. So we just stayed on the same road, right? Don't worry about the this train station thing. And also here as well, we took the underpass. We don't need to go this way, so just keep that in mind. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.